my channel, I'm Mary Cocoapocahontas.
Lemon lime clay mask.
Lemon lime alkaline clay mask.
I might not be impressive right now, but I'm working on something. I might not have any money right now, but I'm working on something. I may be a student in school living off of Roman noodles, but I'm working on something. I may have to study while you go to the basketball game, but I'm working on something. I may not get to do all the fun things that you get to do, but I'm working on something. I'm in the gym because I'm working on something. I'm on the field running because I'm working on something. I'm reading books at 2 o'clock in the morning because I'm working on something. I'm exercising because I'm working.
So this mess is really tight. I wouldn't leave it on no more than 30 minutes. That's just me. You can barely move your mouth or your eyes, but you smell. That's how you know it's pulling all the impurities out of your pores and helping tighten your skin.